go slow, but we could go faster. Give me the password.
Hey guys, hey guys, hey guys. You guys see I'm being consistent because I'm just end up vlogging this outfit and I'm starting another one. You guys subscribe to the channel. Please subscribe to the channel. That's what y'all need to do. Subscribe, turn on your notification, and stay tuned for all the vlogs I got to drop. Like this video and drop a comment. So as you guys know from my last vlog, I just got back from El Salvador. If you haven't watched it, please go ahead and tune in right now. Right now. Stop and go check out my El Salvador vlog and come back. So as you guys know, in my last vlog, I was trying to get babe a gift before we went on Valentine's vacation, but it didn't come on time. So just got the gift today. It's like Tuesday, the Tuesday after Valentine's. Babe's coming home from work, so I'm planning a nice, you know, intimate date night dinner. I think I want to do like some lamb chops with stuffed potatoes, like loaded baked potatoes, and some broccolini with some golden chicken wings. I don't know if I can get the gold flakes, but let's see. Some golden chicken wings, and like I want to get like a cute custom cake. Maybe I don't get it because I'm too late. The thought just popped up in my mind today and I'm just like, yes, this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna get that, and then I want to see if I can get like the dry ice so I can do like the cute, you know, fog, all of that stuff. But let's see if all of that's possible because your girl is so last minute. But I'm gonna take you guys along with me and I'll show you guys everything I get. Maybe I don't do the grocery shopping because I left my tripod for my camera, but I'll try to get my clips here and there, and you guys stay tuned because it's gonna be day 8 and it's gonna be a surprise for babe because he think that I didn't get him anything for Valentine's Day, when the truth is the package come late, the package room not open, the package not open. I'm fighting with the package room, I'm fighting with the people at the office, like, but we have the package now. And I don't know, I want to make like a cute bouquet with it, but I don't know if I can make a bouquet with it. Like I could buy some socks and make like socks rolls. Let's see. This is all last minute. The date night part is last minute, but let's see what we can do. So stay tuned. Let's go. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share the video, and drop a comment. I'll see you guys. Ooh, I see a heart cake here, guys. It has Happy Valentine's Day on it though. Should I get this one? I'm gonna ask them if they can write on that cake for me or no. So let's see. They're busy, so hold on. Hi. If I wanted to write on this heart cake here, would it be possible? I could? Okay. I want to get this one because it has the Happy Valentine's thing on it already. You can take it off. And I just want to write every day's Valentine's on there. You're slick, right? You're getting it done. So we got the cake secured, guys. The cake secure. Every day is Valentine. Guys, I secured the goods. Secured the goods. Secured the goods. I didn't get lamb chops. I always have a problem finding lamb chops. So I got lamb chops loin. And now I don't know if babe's gonna like that because he's very picky. So, and I didn't get the flakes, the gold flakes either. So I'm just gonna do the dynamite shrimp for the appetizer, and then I'm gonna do lamb loin with twice baked potato, and I didn't get broccolini either, so I got broccoli. Sad. Yeah, and the cake secured. The everyday's Valentine cake secured, and then we're gonna make some strawberry margarita. You know the strawberry margarita mix that them sell? That, and then I'm gonna add some NEC to that, and you know, jazz it up my way. So I'm just going to get a quick bite because dinner not ready till probably 8-9 o'clock, because that's when he's gonna get home. And I am starving. I haven't eaten all morning, so I'm gonna go get something quick. And at traffic time, Jesus Christ, the worst thing I can do is save things to do until in the evening. I'm not learning my lesson. I'm not learning, because this traffic is not to be played with.
I pull up like Jimmy Neutron. Looking up, you get a new fun. Like you hard, and I know. You need to go slow, but we could go faster. Maybe the best way. Slide city, you know what that means.
Guys, so my lamb chops is seasoned. My sauce for my lamb chops is made. My potato is baked. I'm gonna mash these now. So let's get to it.
I pull up like Jimmy Neutron. Looking up, you get a new fun. Like you hard, and I know. You need to go slow.
Which one? Pick one. This one classic. Red from blind, yeah, bitch, I'm drastic. Why this? Why that? Lip stop asking. Listen to me, baby, relax and start passing. Expressway, head back, weaving through the traffic. This one strong should be labeled as a hazard. Some of y'all niggas hot psych, I'm gassing. Clowns, I spot them and I can't stop laughing. Easy come, easy go, Evie gon' be lasting. Jealousy, let it go.
Babe, get surprised? Surprise?
Yep.
Let me turn off the music, cause no copyright for YouTube. Watch face, guys. You have to read the note first. Read the note first. Read the note first. Babe, hear more, babe. Guys, he's a horrible unboxer. This is not aesthetic at all.
You asked for a passport case one day.
No, I didn't. You know how long it come?
Your office did that.
Yes.
You can use that for it too.
It's a passport case, not a wallet.
Yes, you can.
Yes. The bank card, so you don't have to do any banking. And every Louis Vuitton you go in another country, you get a stamp in it.
That is?
Yes, you have to carry it. So if you go back to Dubai and you go to Louis Vuitton, they give you a Dubai stamp, a Louis Vuitton Dubai stamp.
Which card?
In the passport or on the, anywhere in the... Now come eat because the food getting cold.
Keep your hand on.
It's another day. It's another day.
Another day.
And
Another dollar.
my camera won't wipe off, guys. But guess what, guys? Guess what? I have a surprise for you guys.
Why surprised?
Not for you. I have a surprise for my people.
I like surprises.
Guys, I'm going back to work. After... Oh, that sun gone. After how much years?
After 10 years.
Almost 2 years, guys. Oh my gosh, I need to clean this camera off. I'm going back to work. And of course, I need some work pieces. So we're gonna get... Oh my gosh, look at the baby stuff. Let me clean off the camera and come back. Guys, look at the difference of the cleaned camera. Oh my gosh. Wonder if you just stop and clean the camera sometime, you know. Babe, gonna look on suitcase. That is not the purpose of us being here today. So guys, I have to find some work clothes. And you know what they say? Sometime Marshall will have some good finds. So we're stopping here to look at some things and see what I can get. Now I'm really have to go in on my capsule closet vibes because yesterday there that's the girl them wear in Brighton. I'm gonna see what I can find here, or maybe I have to go to Zara, but that's downtown, so I don't know yet. Let's see. This is a nice jacket. This is nice, eh? What? Yes, that's true. I actually do. Oh. No, we need 11 for space, for wiggle room.
You need something like this one.
Babe.
Your way heels or something gotta work. And then change out like this.
Yeah, pro.
Yeah.
Are you a designer?
Mm.
How do you guys like this jacket? I like this. I can wear this on my first day. I'm in love with a pink jacket, but it can't fit me. Let me show you guys. Guys, my mother always tell me, say, if your waist fit around your neck, your pants will fit your waist. You guys ever heard that? Guys, babe, pick this one. I found this nice top. I think this is gonna be my first day jacket. It's so nice. It's giving rich. Oh gosh. But how would you feel about the burger? And it has nice compartments too. Okay, let's put this bag in the car. What about this one, guys? This one better.
So you get it over there.
That's rich. So this one fits better.
This kind of fit seem like the next one to me.
No, this have enough space.
Space that's so, but on our back.
Yeah, so the booty big. What do you expect? It look okay, but it feel tight.
You look big this to me. Turn around. Come so. They're so tight.
Yeah. Can't remember say I want inner something, you know.
Or three have on the sweater.
Maybe.
Cause that thick.
Maybe.
Mm.
Yeah, I don't know about this. I really like it. Maybe I have to take off my socks.
We got rest a while ago. We get two little bag, almost $90. So we are go back in a Marshall. Hopefully, lady still have her bag.
Just stay there.
Okay, 218.22 today will be that total for you.
You're right.
Cashier number 4, please.
Give me 1 second, Miss Kim. Let me log in.
Guys, be shocked till she drop.
Cashier number 2, please.
Y'all have a good day.
My dear.
How do you feel after 2 years going back to work?
Going back to work expensive. Like me need a paycheck before I start. Guys, I really like these shoes, you know. But guess what? I feel like it's gonna give me con. So I not get it. The front part tight. So I think I gonna get it, guys. I like it, you know. Guys, I have successfully completed week 1 of work. And I wanted to wrap this vlog up with like a haul to see everything that I got and everything. And I wanted to show you guys like my outfits for the week. But child, to get used to this schedule, the waking up early now, the traffic, what time to leave out, it's just been a rush. So I'm going to talk to you guys in another vlog a little bit more about everything, why I'm back to work and all of that stuff. And yeah, so I got more details on dress code. So thankfully I didn't buy a lot of outfits because now I know you can do business casual, full business on some days, jacket and suit some days. So yes, so let me know your favorite workplace outfit. What would I call it? Your favorite place to shop for workplace outfits. Put it in the comments so you can get your girl ready. So yes guys, that's basically it. But in my next vlog I will give you guys a more detail of what's going on, why I'm back to work, why I'm changing feel, all of that good stuff. So I'll see you guys in the next vlog.